So what's up, YouTube? I know it's been almost a year since I made another video. It's been a long time. So I think I watched the last video the other night and it said I had replaced the PCM. That's the last thing I did. Okay, so I replaced that. So if you watch my shorts, which probably 2 people did, it's all right. The car crunk up. So I bought a new PCM. Car crunk up, but it runs really, really, really bad rough idle. So I re-gapped the spark plugs. It was still doing it, but not as bad. So I turned it on and got it scanned, and the scan came up. I'm gonna post the codes that came up, but pretty much it's the EVSAP system that connected to the tank and a little thing over there. So I got to replace the whole system, which came out to be, I think, like $350, $400. So hopefully when I get that, it'll be up and running. But I'm gonna post a video of what it sounded like when I did crank it up that one time. But besides that, everything else is in place. The radiator's in, reservoir's in, everything's still in. I just gotta put these clips on. I'm just gonna get a giant funnel sticker here. I don't need no cold air and take all that BS. Yeah, not right now. But down the line, I am going to get a cam and probably pro charge a little bit, about 25 pounds boost. Probably build up the bottom end a little bit. Get rid of this sorry ass intake. Get a high rise intake, and yeah, man. I know it's a short little video, but like I said, everything else is pretty much coming together. I got the top hose from the junkyard. I got the bottom hose on, but it's too short, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. But pretty much everything's still together, man. Just out there crunk up, and I got a computer scan on it. I knew what my goal was, so I just kind of backed up off of it for a little while. But everything's still the same. Nothing changed. Oh, another thing. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this dashboard out for like a 2010 version and do the custom gauges. And that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna have to figure out, see, the thing is, I'm gonna see, can I keep the old AC unit and put it in the glove department, or try to find some way to finagle it to match up with the new one. But I'm gonna take the dashboard out. After they get running, I drive for a while, I'm gonna get another dashboard, and I'm gonna do custom gauges, like individual gauge dials, not like this. Individual gauge dials. Like I said, I'm probably gonna beef it up. Probably do some those speakers on here, and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna show you the EVSAP system that I need. So give me a second. So this one came. This one came originally with the car, but originally it was 2.7. I need a V8 one, and on Parts Geek it seems like the V6 one and the V8 one are the same one. So, but yeah, so I gotta buy this separate. This separate. I'm gonna keep this hose. This separate, and some of this, the little thing up on the hood I told you about. So yeah, if I get this, I'm gonna try to crank it up again and see what happened. Hopefully everything turned out okay. But it's just a little short little video to remind y'all I'm still pushing it, but I haven't. Oh, and I need the brakes line, because I couldn't put the brake on because the brake line won't fit. So I gotta get the brake lines for that too. And the oxygen sensor, the oxygen sensor too. So once I get all that, I'm gonna try to crank it up again because I'm pretty sure the reason why it's doing that is because the EVAP system and the oxygen sensor, which means I gotta get it exhaust. So it's a little short-lived video to remind y'all I'm still here. You know, I'm just taking it one day at a time until one piece here, one piece here. I start making more frequent videos of other stuff, but I don't want to be the boring guy that just on the video just talking. So I'll let y'all later. Peace.